Once our film was completed, we uploaded it to YouTube in order for us to gain feedback from our target audience. We found YouTube to be a great method of gaining appraisal and constructive criticism due to the easily accessible comment box. Receiving outside opinions from various people allowed us to gain an insight into the way our audience would view our film. For example, this comment features positive feedback on our use of lighting and sound, whilst also pointing out improvements we could make in regards to our title sequence.
As well as uploading the video online, we chose to use popular social networking site Facebook to receive instant feedback from our peers. This also proves as a great strategy for gaining comments, as the instant messaging service allows the process of communication to flow smoothly with ease. For example, this comment in particular pointed out positive views associated with the narrative and also the camera shots and angles used. The use of text messaging on smartphones was also an effective method of gaining feedback from our target audience with a similar outcome. This comment points out the positive film noir link between our film and the genre it falls under, which pleased us highly, as the codes and conventions we followed gave the desired effect. The issue regarding the length of the opening credits has been brought up once more. The majority of the criticising has been aimed at this section. This allows us to clearly determine what we would change next time round. We created various surveys on the website SurveyMonkey, which allowed us to get statistical feedback from our audience. We looked at important contributing factors such as age and gender, along with preferred film genres. This gave us an insight into the types of people that would be viewing our film. We then looked specifically at the audience's opinion on film noir, recording their likes and dislikes of the genre. We then proceeded to look at the correlation between our movie and the genre itself, and we were pleased to see that 100% of our audience felt that our film was in keeping with the noir genre and had an authentic noir feel to it.
We then steered the focus to the content of our film, along with our audience's favourite aspects. Many codes and conventions present in film noir ended up being the most effective elements in our film, such as fast-paced storylines, twists in the plot, and a mysterious atmosphere, which appear in the answers given. As well as gaining positive feedback, we also received constructive criticism, highlighting the weaker aspects of our film. Overall, our feedback shows that while we successfully accommodated to our audience's needs, there were still some areas that would require improvement if we were to redo this project.